everybody, it's Margo and Mary Jean here at My Favorite Quilter. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. We have some really cool product to show.
Right, we got this new quilt kit in, and I wanted to give a little information about it. It is called Cream and Sugar, and it's kitted as a whole quilt, even though it's called a block of the month. Because look at all these great designs that are in this quilt.
Ooh, that's a lot of stars.
Like you can do and half square triangles and flying geese. A lot of great beginner or
it's a good learning quilt.
It's a really great learning quilt. That's one thing I like about block of the months. So this quilt is 80.5 by 80.5 when it's finished.
Oh, it's a nice square by Maywood
Studios. So it uses the Cream and Sugar block of the month booklet.
Oh, go ahead.
And so inside is all great colored pictures on how to make the blocks and everything. And then it comes with a great color card.
It does. This is 12 blocks, but the nice thing is it really gives you a
color card.
A color card and
already made.
And you know what's nice to do is copy this off and pin it to your fabric so you know exactly which fabric is which when you're working with it.
Or when you're looking for it, you can easily find it on your color chart.
Absolutely,
there.
but
So
this fabric.
This is called Night and Day, and it is just a very beautiful line. It's got a lot of Jacobean florals to it and a lot of geometric patterns.
Ooh.
So this actually, they're all folded up inside here. This is the smaller bits that you get, but look at this nice blue.
Oh, there are
you get.
all different fabrics.
They're all different fabrics,
folded
all
up together.
Folded up together, exactly.
Ooh, this black
so it is
really
shades
nice.
of blue, beige, and black that really make a striking quilt when they're all put together.
Oh my gosh, I don't know that I could unfold this. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
It is so
that
beautiful.
one looks to be one of the borders.
It must be the border
or the binding.
It's kind of a main print.
Yeah, main print.
It's
and then
a main
this
print.
is the background.
Ooh,
you
that's
can tell
pretty.
That's beautiful. And it's kind of got a little bit of modeling to it. And it's got the softest hand.
I know. It's not real flat. It's got a little bit of movement.
It does have a little bit of movement to it. And then this is another one, another pack of the fabrics that they have.
Yep.
It's all cut up like I think these might all be fat quarters or something like that you use inside the blocks to make the quilt kit.
They look like they're almost half yards though.
It could be half yards then.
These have such a nice feel.
They do. So this kit is really a lot of fun to get and should be easy to, because everything you need is inside here. Just need your rulers to help you square it up and cut it out. So again, this is the Cream and Sugar BOM block of the month. By 80.5 by 80.5 by Maywood Studios.
I think I might try this one.
Oh gosh.
This is really pretty.
She loves blues, and because that's what our house is in, and so she loves to do blue quilts.
We'll see what I do.
Yep. All right. Thanks for joining me today, and we hope you found this unboxing informative.
I enjoyed doing it. I've never done an unboxing.
Happy sewing, everybody.
Bye-bye.